Hi, that's PIKACHU SNOWMAN time. I'll show you how to make it. In Tokyo, where I was born and raised, the snow is wetter, making it easier to build a snowman. You roll a round ball over the snow. And it becomes a big snowball. But here in Illinois, the snow is more powdery. So first you build a snow mound, packed it down, and then carved it. It's a cold day, and our baby seemed to be cold and upset against me, her grandmom. She took off his shoes. Welcome to our SAPPORO Snow Festival. No, just kidding, I never been there. I made these dolls made by our babies used clothes, except Pikachu, it's knitting. Once a week, it's a garbage day, not special. Thank you for listening.